Hello everyone, it's Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and this is a place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We cover apps that involve money on this channel, and we're going to be talking about the Venmo app and how you can cash a check. So you want to start off by opening the Venmo app up. Then you'll want to scroll on the icon at the bottom of the screen where it says Me. From here, click on Add Money and cash a check. Venmo will then ask you to do a few things: confirm your info, scan your check front and back, and then enter the amount and cash out details. You want to click on Get Started, and you will need to agree to the following Sunrise privacy policy. You'll then be asked to fill in your date of birth, social security number, and phone number, so you want to input that information and click on Agree and Continue. And after doing that, you're now set to be able to cash checks on Venmo. Click on Next, and you simply enter the total amount that the check is worth, and then you take a picture of the front of the check and the back of the check. Once that's complete, you click on Next, and the check will be deposited into your account between a few seconds and 1.5 hours according to Venmo. That does it for this video. If you found value in it, give us a like, that's very much appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. We'll catch you in the next video.